Before we proceed to our discussion for this day, let's review our previous lesson. Division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. It is one of the four basic operations of arithmetic, which gives a fair result of sharing. The division is an operation inverse of multiplication. Let's have this equation. 11 divided by 2 is equal to 5, remainder 1. 11 is the dividend. Dividend is the number that is being divided. 2 is the divisor. Divisor is the number which shows how many groups the dividend will be divided. 5 is the quotient. Quotient is the answer in division. And 1 is the remainder. Remainder is an amount left over after division. Same goes with this. Now, let's have an activity. Directions. Find the quotient. I will give you 2 minutes to answer each item. 255 divided by 5 is equal to n. The answer is 51. 340 divided by 2 is equal to n. The answer is 170. 576 divided by 4 is equal to n. The correct answer is 144. 981 divided by 3 is equal to n. The answer is 327. 672 divided by 6 is equal to n. The correct answer is 112. For today's discussion, we are going to divide mentally 2 to 4 digit numbers by tens or hundreds, or by 1,000 without and with remainder. To begin with, let's have this activity. A day after Axel's birthday, he helped his mother repack 20 canned goods to be given to 10 families who were affected by fire in their barangay. How many canned goods will each family receive? There are two methods that we can use in solving the given problem: the long method and the short method. Let us first solve the problem using the long method. 20 divided by 10 is equal to n. Steps: first, divide 20 by 10. 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. Write 2 in the quotient above the tens. Multiply 2 times 10. 2 times 10 is equal to 20. Subtract 20 from 20. 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. Answer: there are 2 canned goods each family received. Now, let's use the shortcut method. Steps: count the zeros in the divisor. As you can see, we have 1 0 in our divisor. Cancel 0 of the dividend and divisor. Divide the remaining numbers. 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. We have the same answer using the shortcut method. To check if our answer is correct, we need to multiply the quotient and the divisor. 2 times 10 is equal to 20. The dividend must be equal to the product of the quotient and divisor. Therefore, our answer is correct. Let's have another example. If Axel's mother have 212 canned goods and she will repack it equally for 100 families, how many extra canned goods are there? Let's use the long method. 212 divided by 100 is equal to n. Steps: divide 212 by 100. 212 divided by 100 is equal to 2. Write 2 in the quotient above the ones. Multiply 2 times 100. 2 times 100 is equal to 200. Subtract 200 from 212. 212 minus 200 is equal to 12. Therefore, the answer is 2 remainder 12. Now, let's use the shortcut method. If the dividend does not end with 0, do not cancel the digit. Instead, count the zeros in the divisor. The total number of zeros in the divisor will determine how many digits will be the remainder. Since we have 2 zeros in the divisor, we need to count 2 digits from right to the dividend. Therefore, 12 will be the remainder. The answer is 2 remainder 12. The same in our answer using the long method. To check if our answer is correct, multiply the quotient by the dividend. 2 times 100 is equal to 200. Add the remainder to the product. 200 plus 12 is equal to 212. Remember, in dividing numbers by 10, 100, and 1000, cancel as many zeros in the dividend as there are in the divisor. Then divide the remaining digits. Try to divide the following using the short method. I will give you 2 minutes to answer. These are the answers. For our last activity, divide the following numbers mentally. I will give you 60 seconds to answer. These are the answers. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.